As humanity sets its sights on Mars, the red planet offers not just the promise of discovery, but also an array of formidable challenges. This next giant leap for mankind is fraught with obstacles that span technological marvels, human endurance, and our collective will to explore. What then are the primary challenges waiting for us as we plan our first manned mission to Mars? Just before we dive into the video, you can show your support by subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. Now, let's dive in. Space is inhospitable, and the journey to Mars, expected to take at least 6 months, puts immense strain on the human body. Microgravity weakens muscles and bones, space radiation increases cancer risks, and the psychological toll of isolation and confinement can test the mental health of even the most resilient astronauts. Solutions involve rigorous physical and psychological training, advanced shielding against radiation, and designing spacecraft interiors that can help mitigate these effects. Mars is no Earth. Its thin atmosphere and lack of a global magnetic field expose the surface to harsh radiation and extreme temperatures. Before we can step foot on Martian soil, we need to send ahead habitats, life support systems, and supplies. These will rely heavily on the ability to utilize Martian resources, a practice known as in situ resource utilization, ISRU, to generate water, oxygen, and even fuel, cutting down the reliance on Earth resupplies. Producing oxygen on Mars is vital for both breathing and as a component in rocket fuel for the return journey. Techniques like electrolysis, which involves splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen or extracting oxygen from the Martian atmosphere's CO2, are being developed and tested. The success of these methods is crucial for sustained human presence and ensuring astronauts have the resources needed for survival and return. Mars' thin atmosphere presents a unique challenge for landing heavy payloads safely. Past missions have used inventive solutions like sky cranes and airbags, but human missions require even more robust and precise landing technologies. Testing these systems involves a combination of simulations on Earth, unmanned missions, and perhaps even robotic construction projects to prepare the landing site and assemble initial infrastructure. Once on Mars, humans will face the reality of living on a planet that is, at best, indifferent to their survival. Dust storms can cover the entire planet, solar panels, and equipment, reducing energy supply and damaging machinery. Producing enough food and water, maintaining habitats, and ensuring ongoing health and safety in this environment will require innovation in closed-loop life support systems, advanced medical facilities, and sustainable agricultural practices. Perhaps one of the most underappreciated challenges is the psychological impact of being millions of miles from Earth. Astronauts will experience unprecedented isolation, a delay in communications with loved ones and mission control, and the constant pressure of survival on an alien world. Addressing this involves careful selection of crew members, training in psychological resilience, and providing ongoing support and resources to maintain mental health. Returning to Earth presents its own set of challenges, particularly if astronauts begin experiencing mental health issues. The psychological adaptations to long-duration spaceflight and a Martian environment could complicate readjustment to Earth's gravity and society. Planning for a safe return involves not just the technical aspects of launch and re-entry, but also ensuring astronauts receive the psychological support and care they need to reintegrate smoothly into life on Earth. The journey to Mars represents the culmination of human curiosity, ingenuity, and perseverance. The challenges awaiting us are significant, spanning the spectrum from technological hurdles to the basic human need for connection and safety. Yet, with each challenge comes an opportunity for innovation and growth. As we prepare for our first steps on Martian soil, we are not just planning a mission, we are laying the groundwork for a future where humanity extends beyond the confines of Earth, embracing the cosmos as our next frontier.